Hi, everybody. So, this is the 15th of March, and somebody has leased this, and I hope she does a great job. She's a realtor from the Bay Area. But this was just one empty space, formerly a pizza shop, a quilt shop. Of course, I still have to touch up some things here. Looking around, sorry, I don't mean to make you dizzy. That used to be a walk-in cooler, but Jim designed and built everything. This wall here completely rebuilt. I think we wanted to put another window in, but back up to the ranch motel. This is the living quarters of the space. So got a nice cabinet here, which again we wanted to kind of finish, but this lady is anxious to move in. So, anyway, this building was built in 1975, and it was a grocery store at first. So anyway, I'll show you the bathroom. And the cabinets staining was hell. Anyway, the shower's not completely done either, and I can't stand that vanity. No offense to David, but it needed to be stained, and that is still the commercial toilet. Other than that, I'm in love with this place. It just it was really Jim. Jim did this. I just helped with, the drywall and painting and stuff like that. And as you can see, I still need touch-ups big time, but we had to get the flooring in. We didn't even know we were doing flooring yet. So the window boxes, Jim built those. The window boxes are meant to show in light. These are tinted glass, so it's mirrors on the other side. Anyway, so the whole building was one empty space with a big freaking bar that zigzagged across it. Oh, jeez. So, pardon me. Tilt. I'm sure I'm gonna have to edit this to death. So where the wall is actually a bar leading to the door area, and then came across. And so we built this wall, and actually right here was where the original wall came to. And then this was a hallway. I'm sorry, that makes no sense whatsoever because I can't even picture it now. It's been so long. It hasn't been that long. So anyway, and in Oregon, there's lottery. Everybody has lottery. So these were the lottery machines were of whenever it was a pizza place. And then this is the public bathroom for the new shop, whatever she makes it into. Which, I'm sorry, just emotional. Whole thing. So, anyway, these are all the displays that are going to, I guess, nobody does retail anymore. This is a problem, folks. So these are displays. I was going to put them online for sale, but I think a nonprofit organization picked them up, or is going to pick them up. So, and this used to be where all the leftover burnt laundry machines used to be from the fire. So this is it. And seems to be taking down the paper. I'll miss this place very much. But I'm very proud of Jim, because he kicked butt. One-man show, pretty much. Pretty well done. One-man show and, his eccentric tool girl. All right. Anyway, this is gonna be fun. At least it's not raining tonight. And thank God for daylight savings. And there's the old ranch. Told you no need for windows because it backs up to the range. So this is a lot of cleanup. Mom, I'm sorry I haven't been in touch. I just wanted to show you the project so badly, but we kind of had to be quiet about it. And I'm just proud of how it went. Kind of wish it ended up a little differently, but. So that's I-5. There's the Ranch Lounge. I don't know what's going on. I don't think it's going to reopen. There's the famous, there's the other property that Dave owns. That's Peggy's Restaurant. There's the famous drive-in, Great Burgers. So that's it, Rice Hill. I'd show a picture of myself right now, but God, those people really have to do something with that. It's an eyesore. It is. Oh boy. Anyway, this is a place to buy property, apparently. Pretty cheap right now. But they're doing something with equestrian and I don't know, it's supposed to be the hot spot. Best zip code in Oregon, apparently. We'll see. Oh, and here's the laundromat. So, this is another reason why it held us up a bit. So this still has to be done. But this is what was the target of the arson. So, it'll be open for business. All right.